Yeah, he's just zooming in.
He's not leaving?
No, they're docking. They're still docking in.
Oh, they still gotta get that sick person off of.
Yeah.
Damien, how do I find your video? Go to Damien's hole.
Hey, get out of there.
No, wait a minute, he's doing something.
Oh, okay. Okay. I didn't know he was doing something.
We should be ready here in a few minutes.
That's a closer view of ships.
This is the alert, right?
Yeah. They're docking. That's the building we're going to be leaving out of, right there, Mom. That blue one.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
It's a little ship. The hell do you want to go on this for?
Hey, you ain't looking at the little boat going across the front of the screen.
No, this
The big one. Yeah, that one.
That's little.
Yeah, uh-huh.
Uh-huh.
Better than them hotels.
All
but it's a
them
little one.
stories.
Yeah.
You never see that many stories.
That many levels of balconies.
That's right.
Continue. Right on top, it's all of that. Okay, out on the icy dome.
Actually,
you're gonna see Armory,
we are
you're gonna
going
pass
to
the
be-
North Basin, on the fuel dock, you will see a vessel
Yeah,
called
we're
Cape
coming to it.
Maradi. You're gonna go past that south.
Right here, the
next
top balcony
entrance
floor.
will be our south basin. That's where you enter.
About in the middle of it.
We're on.
Because it starts here.
We're on 12.
And I go down to the south side of the EMR, right?
6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we might be here at this one, maybe. No, we're on the top. I have to look up. I'll have to look it up.
Well, I ain't high enough. I want to be higher.
See, shut up.
So the confused.
See, and here's one.
Right here. About
Here's
here.
one where it's a bigger balcony.
Swimming Hall of Fame.
You can see how it comes out.
That's where we're going to be.
Outside right
Where?
now.
On the first
Yeah,
one?
I can't get in here. Damien's trying to do something.
Open marina.
Taking a video.
I think you have on the end of the what?
About there.
Of the T.
That's where we're going to be.
Oh, God, Joe, knock it off.
No, she loves you. She loves you.
I know it.
Harder. Sympathy.
Yep.
Love you. I'll be there, Jan. You are the best.